Want to buy, store, and cook salmon like a pro without wasting a single bite? In this video, you'll learn every secret, from the seafood counter to your dinner plate. Let's dive in. When you're buying salmon, look for fillets with a vibrant pink or orange-red color and bright white marbling lines. Fresh salmon should smell like the ocean, never strong or fishy. If you're buying a whole fish, check the eyes. They should be clear, slightly bulging, never cloudy or sunken. Press the flesh gently. Fresh salmon should spring back. If your finger leaves a dent, it's past its prime. For a responsible choice, check for labels like the Marine Stewardship Council for wild caught or the Aquaculture Stewardship Council for farmed. These certifications help ensure you're making an environmentally friendly choice. Keep raw salmon in the coldest part of your fridge, ideally the bottom shelf, and use it within 1 to 2 days. For longer storage, wrap it tightly and freeze it for up to 3 months. To go the extra mile, place the wrapped salmon on a bed of ice in a shallow container inside the fridge. This keeps it fresher for longer. Cooked salmon can be refrigerated for 3 to 4 days or frozen for 4 to 6 months. Food safety is non-negotiable when it comes to seafood. Cook salmon to 63 degrees Celsius or 145 degrees Fahrenheit to kill harmful bacteria and parasites. If reheating, aim for 74 degrees Celsius or 165 degrees Fahrenheit. And here's an important note. Pregnant women, young children, the elderly, and people with weakened immune systems should avoid raw salmon unless it's certified sushi grade. For crispy skin, always start with a hot pan. Place the salmon skin side down first and let it sizzle before flipping. Avoid overcooking. It's the #1 mistake people make. Instead of guessing, use a food thermometer to check doneness. Want variety? Bake for even cooking, grill for smoky flavor, or poach for a delicate, moist result. Don't throw away the skin. Crisp it up for a salty, crunchy snack. If you buy a whole salmon, save the head and bones to make a rich, nutritious fish stock. And if you have cooked leftovers, flake them into salads, stir them into pasta, or make salmon cakes. Now you know how to shop, store, and cook salmon like a pro. Next time, we'll tackle another Fresh Keeper favorite. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a tip. Thanks for watching, and remember, shop smart, store fresh, stay safe.